The most amazing thing just happened. A, I'm missing my hair now. B, parts just magically showed up. So let's get them open. I know, you can't see it. Maybe I need to work on some cinematography skills. But I'll show it to you. Aha! Paper! More paper! Door clips. Well, door latch rod clips. Bushings. Whatever. A horn switch. Okay, that's not a horn switch. Well, it really can't. Turn signal switch. And the contactors work for the horn. Yay! That's it? That was like $100 in parts or something. Let's get the Bronco fixed. I have to apologize. I hopped up in there and I set my camera up and I started talking to y'all and taking the dash apart and looking for harness parts and talking about how pretty everything was, and it got ugly quick. I looked up to move y'all to see what I'm about to do here, and I realized nothing was recording, so I'm still learning video camera stuff. Bear with me. Right here we have the turn signal harness connector. It's all ugly and it looks like it's very, very old, but the truth is it's just as old as all this other stuff. You got to figure out how to get this switch out of here. So we unscrew the turn signal bar. So now I have the privilege of changing the style of pins in the wires. So I ran this wire down the column, and I'm going to wrap these up together one by one, and I'm just going to try to pull it in. Woo! That feels nice. So since you missed it a while ago, these are Zeus fasteners, spelled D-Z-U-S, Zeus. Quarter turn fasteners is what some people call them. They're usually for racing stuff, but for me, when I like to get to something, they make an easy access. It's got a little bar, a little spring bar that rivets in behind the hole there. Makes it really neat to get in and out of these things, out of places like that. We have a problem. Okay, so I've been doing some research. Thanks Wild Horses for putting this stuff up on the internet. When I put it together, let me turn my camera around. When I put it together, I was having trouble looking at my camera to see the picture I've taken. I couldn't tell if this white with blue wire at my thumb was supposed to go over here and the green with white over there. It looked more like this color. They both had white on them in the picture, but it looked more like the one over here by the yellow wire was actually a blue color and this was actually a green color. However, I put it together and they're backwards, and I think that's the mistake because these other wires are definitely right and that's definitely yellow. So we're going to swap those two wires and put it back together and try it. I need a break. Alright, so how y'all like my haircut? Get it up here. Brittany said don't look at the back because the back is really bad. I did it myself. So that's working on the Bronco. Another part. We'll see you next time.